Hey crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. And don't forget, in February and March, we're doing a giveaway here on the YouTube channel. Check the description below for all the details. And today for Technique Tuesday, we're doing a challenge that's hosted by Crafty Dragon Creations in her Facebook group. And for the challenge, we need to use the color light blue. The paper is toilet paper, and the item is ribbon. So let's get to crafting. So we're going to start with the toilet paper portion of this challenge. I'm taking sheets of 2-ply toilet paper and separating them into individual sheets that I'm going to be using to decoupage with. I'm using a spray Mod Podge, but you could water down regular white glue in a spray bottle. I'm going to be decoupaging over some rubber stamps to try to get the image of the rubber stamp into the toilet paper. I place the sheet of toilet paper over the rubber stamps and then spray it with the liquid Mod Podge, and then use a brush to push the tissue down into the design of the rubber stamp. I repeat this process with each layer of tissue using approximately 8 layers of the toilet paper. Once I have all the layers on, I set that aside to dry overnight. Once that's completely dried, I come back and use my rubber stamps with some Distress Oxide and push that back into the toilet paper relief that I have created. This will bring out the design of this rubber stamp. And I also use some vintage photo to age the design. For the remainder of the challenge, I used a tag from the Paper Bees Virginia Bluebell kit. I then attached the toilet paper relief that we made with some Fabri-Tac along with some lace. And then to finish off the challenge, I used some velvet blue ribbon as my tag pull. If you want to join in on these challenges, be sure to go over to Crafty Dragon Creations Facebook group. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care. Thank you.